Yo, it's your boy Book, and I'm back with another video. And everybody knows Maria for sweet talk, but we finna turn her into a mother demon. So for the perks, we gonna be using Tourniquet. After consuming a health item, you don't bleed out for 10 seconds. We gonna be using What Doesn't Kill You, which is after being injured by a melee attack, avoiding additional damage for 15 seconds will reward you with 50% of your health you lost. And we're gonna be using Ran Track. So here goes my actual skill tree to make this build. I had a lot of fun with this video just because our only objective in this was to defend the pressure tank. And who's expecting Maria to do that? Like, anytime somebody sees a Maria in the game, they instantly think sneaky. But for this build, I actually put 15 into toughness and 17 into endurance. So there's literally no sneaking. We jumping right in that field. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we gonna jump right into this action. Let's get it.
Let's do it. Step 1. Find out where the pressure tank is.
They got a leather face.
I'm gonna go stab him right now.
See, look. Stand up. Wait, no, stand up.
Bro, I'm not doing this again with you.
Come on, leather.
Damn, low proficiency is crazy on me, bro.
Stall, or did he just
Oh my god, this is like having security play.
Oh my man. Oh my god, this shit is so slow. I'm gonna see if the pressure tank on the side too.
I just broke my lock.
Oh lord.
I'm gonna get as soon as you say that. Alright, I'm trying to see.
You can just spam through it.
I'm gonna try to find out where it's at. Pressure tank is by the house.
What is that?
I need bone scrap.
Downstairs.
But I ain't gonna lie, I'm fast as fuck though. No.
Are these human?
Wait, I'm just not realizing I put my whatchamacallit on 50 when I already have this perk.
You're a bot. I think it's still in the basement, cuz. Anybody open up the ticket?
Yeah, the ticket's open.
Alright.
Oh shit, I got Johnny on me.
You in the basement?
What? Bro, I'm done.
You died?
No, I got fucking 50 toughness and Johnny damn near killed me in 2 hits.
I should see what
Like, that didn't do nothing.
You need health? Where you at?
Well, they all in the what's it called right now.
I got a health bottle. I got a big health bottle for you.
Maria, stay with me. Please.
That's right. And Brian
This
felt
game
the
is
house.
so dumb, bro.
On the side,
Ugh, that does not look right.
Where you at, Nala?
I need to defend myself.
I'm in the bushes.
This might work.
In the ticket?
I'm on the front generator.
Alright, babe. Well, she turned this ticket on. You got bone scraps?
I got 2 in my barge.
I
Alright.
might die, ain't gonna lie. I already used my ability.
Oh, damn.
Where you at, Jay?
They left.
I'm in the basement.
She behind me.
The others are okay.
Johnny
Cook.
hits hard as fuck.
Leatherface is by the battery. By that gate.
I feel like he saw me.
I think he did. He didn't.
That's definitely weird. I ain't know.
Alright, tank right there, Jay. Yeah, if you put it in, go to the house, they'll turn it off.
He
I'm
coming.
still.
Get outside.
No. Fuck.
Ah, you're weird. I'm stuck. Oh my god. I'm about to fucking recover. This is dumb. No, he didn't even, he literally, we thought he saw us, but then he walked away, then came back.
So that pretty much means you have to go to the house. If you're gonna take a ticket like that. At a 3 is crazy.
I can get through here.
You want me to take the pressure handle?
We can.
I'll try that shit.
I'm dying hella fast. Like,
Hey, downstairs.
nigga
Take this
swing at
take
me
this bone
3
scrap.
times.
Take that bone scrap then.
I got one.
Alright.
I need another health bottle.
Wait, I should take that.
All
I'm
right.
about to have my ability again, so.
Now, where you at? You ready now?
I'm sitting right here.
All right. Who the fuck? Where's Grandpa at?
Now,
Where y'all go?
Is anybody by the
Before-
gen side?
no.
I'm here.
Honestly,
All right, let's go.
I could stab Grandpa while y'all do that.
Oh my god, this shit is slow. I got it, Alan. Oh!
Y'all good?
Yeah, Jay, you gotta come help us though. I just fought that nigga.
Oh my bad.
He turned it off. He turned it off.
I can't stab him. It won't let me
back
stab
inside,
him.
go back in,
Oh
go
my
back in.
god.
Because we already fought him right now. That's what I'm talking about. He ain't here.
I don't know if y'all heard me, but I was clicking the fuck at that button.
They're coming back.
Yeah.
He's gonna hit me down the. He's gonna hit me down the ladder. Damn! I'm tough. I'm tough though, bitch. I'm tough though, bitch. Get a bone scrap. Oh!
Oh, Cook right in front of me.
What the fuck? I just flushed the toilet.
This is a war.
Y'all. Yep.
I'm about to turn it back on.
I'm making Cook go the other way, so you good.
Oh my god! I can't turn it on. Why does it take so long? Oh
Did you get it?
no. No, it takes so long.
Yeah, you gotta really
I might
spam
die.
that.
I was spamming.
I'll do it.
my
I'll
God,
do it. I'll try it. I'll try it.
No, I used it already.
Are you close?
No, Cook.
Oh, cook back here.
I'm keeping the muscle. I'm keeping the muscle. You go through the quick.
The fuse.
I got my ability. I need to-
Leatherface is trying to Bro, I need to make a Leatherface doing, cuz.
Don't worry. I'll find you.
Oh, Johnny's on me.
This is all my fault. Never here.
He seen me. He's going back to the house.
Leatherface right here.
I could look to do the fuse.
Did
Oh,
the
Johnny
house,
on
what
me.
you call it? Is the house open?
I don't know.
Ooh, stabbed him. Ooh, ooh.
I don't got no bone scraps because I just used it on. No! I accidentally hit in the fucking freezer.
Okay. I can just make it too long.
No, nigga. Alright, Johnny's out the. Johnny, yeah.
Oh, it's open?
Oh, shit. Johnny's out to play.
I got notes in here.
I don't.
I can take a hit. I got my ability.
Oh, Johnny behind me.
Ooh. Ooh. No. Yes, sir. Let's go. Get up, Nala. Let's go. On you, Jay. Let's go.
Somebody watch this
Yeah.